So I just usually press them in. Try and go as even as possible. Take a punch, give it a light tap. When I do it, I try and have it backed against something that's somewhat soft. These things are tough as can be, so that's not a big worry. I'm not worried about cracking them really. Larry's all worried watching me do it, but I do it a million times.
I watched you break one on purpose.
Yep. I showed him how much it actually took to break one, and he was kind of surprised.
How much?
So when you go to put these back in, they should only sit this way. Cupped edge facing the top. You put these back together, make sure that the dash lines up with the dimple that's on top of the hat. So this dimple lines up with this dash. And then when you go to put it back together, there's a dash here and this dash. They should line up.
Yeah, I gotta pull it in the frame. What the hell?
I'll do it.